Congratulations to investing in this amazing course, Money and Metaphysics, How to Open the Floodgates of Wealth. We are going to just take a brief moment to look at the course overview and what this course is all about. Let me first share with you what this course is not. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, or you want to chase a fairy tale by finding out how am I going to win the lottery or something like that, this course is not for you. If, however, you believe that you can create your own pot of gold and that it takes a stretched mind because it can never revert to its original state in order for you to achieve that kind of wealth, then you're in the right course. This is a course about your mind. It's going to take a little bit of time to do so, but with exercise and patience and consistency, I can promise you that you're going to get a mind shift. So in the first section, we are going to talk about the money etymology. We're going to discuss and understand the energetic ocean of money and how to neutralize its powerful energy, especially the non-beneficial energy. We're going to talk about what kind of relationship do you have with money currently. In section 2, we're going to discuss how to find your original money story, the anchor that is keeping you back from unleashing those avalanches of wealth that are in the process of coming to you. We want to open that faucet and make that happen. Who is the real commander here? Is it you, or is money controlling you? We're going to discuss this in section 2, and we're also going to talk about the $200 bill exercise. Don't worry, this course is filled and packed with exercises. In section 3, we're going to talk about creating a gratitude journal and how to give money a new name. In section 4, we're going to talk about EFT, also known as the emotional freedom technique. I'm going to give you an overview and do an actual EFT exercise. Plus, you're going to get plenty of dozens of EFT exercises as it revolves around money so that you can continue this particular process for the next 30 days. In section 5, we'll discuss money and the law of attraction in a way that you have never heard it before, I promise. And we're going to talk about transcendental dowsing and how this powerful method that I've been using for decades, especially in combination with EFT, can really shift some of those blockages. Very often I get asked if a person should pray more and how often they should pray and how often they should be asking for more money. We're going to talk about that in section 5 as well. In section 6, we're going to discuss the difference between entrepreneurship and business ownership. There's a big difference, and how to create multiple passive and generous streams of income. I'm going to give you a wonderful handout, a cheat sheet to get you started in the right direction. We're also going to talk about your personal money thermometer and how to create positive affirmations. In fact, one of the bonuses for this course is dozens and dozens and dozens of positive affirmations that you can take right from the handout. In section 7, we're going to discuss this really important topic of recovering from total financial loss. I've been there, I understand it well, and we do have to talk about it and give you the encouragement that you need if you are finding yourself in that situation. We'll discuss the Grace Bank account. Again, this is a worksheet that I'm going to have you fill out. And in section 8, we are going to talk about the very important energy of giving back. It's one thing for you to make money and hoard it and invest it and save it. We don't want to do that because this principle does not exist in Mother Nature. The road to success is for you to dream big. So that's what I want you to take on right now in this moment. Because of this, I want you to participate, please, in the 30-day competition. And I'm going to give you instructions and a future lecture, so don't worry about it. But I want you to get ready for this because I have gifts to hand out that are going to be really important to you. Are you ready? All right, let's start.